Good morning, teachers. My name is Ritisha and I study in LKGB. Today I am going to decide a rhyme on nature. The name of my rhyme is Blue, Blue Sky is Blue. मैं बोलूँगी Blue, Blue Sky is blue. Water in the sea is blue. I like blue, don't you? I like blue, don't you? Green, green, grass is green. Leaves on the trees are green. I like green, don't you? I like green, don't you? Red, red, sun is red. Red, red, sun is red. When is getting on the bed? When is getting on the bed? I like red, don't you? I like red, don't you? Yellow, yellow, flowers are yellow. Sunflowers standing in the row. I like yellow, don't you? I like yellow, don't you? Love the nature as you love yourself. Thank you.